Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The world's biggest Black Sabbath and Ozzy Osbourne tribute show is coming to the legendary House of Blues. Saturday, May 13th, Blizzard of Ozzy brings you the Godfathers of Heavy Metal.
I'm going off the rails.
Don't miss the stage spectacular worthy of the greatest metal band of all time, Blizzard of Ozzy. Tickets available online at www.houseofblues.com or at the Myrtle Beach box office. Do not miss this incredible show. Blizzard of Ozzy, Saturday, May 13th, House of Blues, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.